In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Business Profile ID in 2026, step by step. This is a quick process, and the fastest method is to use Google Search while signed into the Google account connected to your business. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you manage more than one Google account, this part is especially important because your business profile panel may not appear if you're signed into the wrong one. Once you're signed in, go to Google. In the search bar, type your exact business name, or simply type My Business. Either option should bring up your business management panel near the top of the search results page. This panel is where Google gives you direct access to manage your business profile without needing to open a separate dashboard. When you see that management panel, look to the right side for the three vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click it to open more options related to your business profile. From that menu, choose Business Profile Settings. This will take you into the settings area where Google stores additional profile details and management options. If you've never opened this section before, don't worry, you only need one specific area for this tutorial. Next, click Advanced Settings. This is where Google shows some of the more technical information related to your profile. Once you're there, look near the top of the page and you should see your business profile ID displayed clearly. If you need to save it, click Copy ID. That will copy the ID directly to your clipboard, which makes it easy to paste into a document, form, support chat, or wherever you need it. This can be helpful if you're working with verification, integrations, troubleshooting, or support requests that they ask for your business profile ID. If you don't see your business management panel in Google Search, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that you searched for the correct business name. In most cases, that resolves the issue quickly. And that's it. Sign into the right Google account. Search for your business or my business. Open the three-dot menu, go to Business Profile Settings, click Advanced Settings, and copy your business profile ID from the top of the page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your Google Business Profile ID quickly and easily.